What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video we're going to be talking about the exchange in Indonesia, INDODAX. So this exchange is one of the biggest exchange in Indonesia, right? And they claim that they serve over 2 million people, right? So recently this their exchange was exploited, right? Let's just get into what happened. One of their hot wallets was exploited. So we're going to be talking about that. As you can see, this is their website, this is their homepage, and you can see their site is under maintenance. Okay, so this just recently happened. So I think they've put their website under maintenance so that people so that they can no longer be exploited, they can no longer be hacked, right? So let's just get into what happened. Okay, so this is their official Twitter page. As you can see, they have posted this on their Twitter page. If you go to their Facebook page, it's the same. If you go to their Instagram page, it's the same, right? So you're just telling their users that their website is under maintenance. Let's just read what they're saying here. So as you can see, this is what they're saying. So let's just translate that to English. Hello, INDODAX members. We would like to inform you that our security team has discovered a potential security issue on our platform. Currently, we are conducting a complete maintenance to ensure the entire system is operating properly during the maintenance process. The INDODAX web platform and application are temporarily inaccessible. So guys, you cannot log into the app or the website. But don't worry, we assure you that your balance remains 100% safe. This is false, guys, both in crypto and in their current local currency. We appreciate your patience and trust. We are doing this process to ensure the security and comfort of our transactions. We will provide further updates as soon as the investigation is completed. Okay, so this is what they are telling their users, that they've discovered a security issue and they are under maintenance and their money is safe. Guys, the security issue is just one of their hot wallets is exploited right now, and $22 million has been stolen from this exchange. But guys, don't worry, let's continue, right? So let's talk about what happened. This is cyber alert, right? So they are one of the first people to detect this issue. So our system has detected multiple transactions involving your wallet on different networks. Suspicious address already holds $40 million. As you can see here, the attackers have successfully taken $40 million from INDODAX hot wallet. Hot wallet is like a bank vault, right? So one of your hot wallet has been compromised, and the attackers have taken $40 million as at 10 seconds. Let's just continue. So this is another post from Snow Miss, right? So they are just telling us more about the hack and what happened and how this money is being moved, right? So this is how they are sending the money: 1 Bitcoin, 1 BTC, 1 BTC, 3 BTC. So this is how they are moving the money from the hot wallet. So let's just look at this post from Slow Mist. Okay, so the crypto exchange, okay, that's INDODAX, suffered an attack a few hours ago, with the hacker stealing various tokens from hot wallet. The total loss is $20 million, as you can see, guys. So let me just expand this. So this is the money that was stolen: 25 Bitcoin valued at $1.4 million. Then Tron, USDT Tron, and Tron itself, $2.4 million. Then Ethereum, this is the Ethereum network and the tokens on Ethereum network, $40 million. Polygon and Optimism. So everything is just 21.9, approximately $22 million, right? So this was how much was stolen from them. So this is more from the hack. So the Indonesian exchange INDODAX was hacked of $20 million. As you can see, guys, I already showed you. So currently this is the hacker's address. As you can see, he has four address, and this address holds $40 million, right? So there's Ethereum, there's Bitcoin, and the rest, right? So this is just the hacker's address, and he's trying to withdraw this money. He's trying to move this money to different address, right? So now let's go to what the users of this exchange, let's go to what they are saying, because as you can see, they are complaining that their asset is missing. So this is what he said: my assets are missing 956 million. What is INDODAX responsible for? You get, and this is their reply. So this is INDODAX reply, right? So INDODAX is actually assuring their users that don't worry, that their funds is 100% safe, that they shouldn't worry that your money is 100% safe. But I think this is false, guys. So this is what INDODAX is saying. Hi sis, don't worry, it is certain that members' funds are 100% safe. Don't worry sis, thank you. So this is basically their response for most of the posts of people complaining that their money is missing or asking them questions. They're just assuring them that 100% their funds are safe. So guys, my take on this is that actually their wallet was hacked. According to cyber alert, their wallet was hacked, one of their hot wallets. So guys, you guys shouldn't panic, but you guys should just know what's happening, that their exchange is compromised, one of their hot wallets is compromised. And who do you think is responsible for this hack, right? So according to Yoshihama, right? According to Yoshihama is the head of the cyber alert crypto web3 security company. Okay, according to him, he said that the pattern and the characteristics of the attack highly resembles those of the North Korean Lazarus group. So he's suspecting the North Korean Lazarus group. So who are these groups? So this North Korean Lazarus group, they are a group of hackers made up of an unknown number of individuals. Allegedly, they are run by the government of North Korea. So this group are from North Korea, and they are very, very good. As you can see, if you just do a Google search on them, you can see them responsible for so many cyber attack. Like this one was a theft of $41 million from Stick Yoshihama, right? So that's why he's saying that the attacks resemble their attack, but nobody knows, right? Nobody knows who is responsible, right? So what will happen for the users of INDODAX? So the users of INDODAX, you guys should be worried. Actually, if you guys can get your money out of the exchange, please get your money out of the exchange. But let's talk about the reserve. As you can see, they have INDODAX still has up to $367 million in reserve. So I think it's just going to be a $22 million loss. Okay, that's if they're able to protect their remaining hot wallet and secure their exchange, right? So I think they can recover from this. So it's just a $22 million loss on their end. So let's see how it's going to develop, right? So as you can see, this is CoinMarketCap and INDODAX. So guys, this total reserve was just updated as I was making this video. It was this before, but now CoinMarketCap has refused to show us the data anymore. So this is their reserve. So they still have about 367 in reserve. So as for now, we really know of $22 million exploits on one of their hot wallets. Okay, so they still have this amount in reserve. So I believe they can bounce back from it, guys. But you guys should just know what's happening, and if you can get your money out, get your money out. Do not send money to the crypto exchange, at least for now, till they've come up with the official report saying that they have protected their exchange from further exploit and hacks. So my take on this, I actually believe that they were hacked, and they are not telling their users the truth. Like they are telling them that it's a security I don't know, it's a security issue, and it's under maintenance. So they were actually hacked, so that's why their website is under maintenance. So once this website is up, get your money out of the this exchange, right? And do not send any money to this exchange till they have come up with a solution and fix the security breach on their website. All right guys, that will be all for now. I'm going to be updating you guys on any new information that comes up regarding INDODAX and its exploits. Alright guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give this video a thumbs down, but let me know the reason in the comment section below. See you guys in my next video.